Now why did you move me? Place me on this better place and stop it. Stop it now! Well, this gives me a new perspective of concerns. Just place me, fucker. I don't want to cursor dragging on me down, or else it will kill my wall. Just place. Well, this gives me. Now why did you move me? Just. Well, this gives. Just stop it right now, or you are grounded. Yeah, of course Peedy wants to tell a joke. Ha ha! Look at stupid Peedy telling jokes. Fuck you, that isn't funny. I hope your directions and accomplishments. You know, but why Samson SGH is for publicans? The Ukrainians and the United States are using with Samson SGH E250. This one isn't fair. Huh? Maybe you can use non-color screen ISGH A300. You can sure out that. Just click me sing a song. Happy Earth Day on the 2nd. PDU/joke. Whoop-de fucking do. White girl has blown up of the clouds. The Surely Cloudy, of course, this is a your cloud. He want to love you. Just love me, kiss me, you up, news. You can sure out that. Just click me sing a song. Happy Earth Day on the 2nd. PDU/joke. Whoop-de fucking do. White girl has blown up of the clouds. The Surely Cloudy, of course, this is a your cloud. He want to love you. Well, that will be awful collection. I give your present of toys, cars, and bus if you love them like an 7-year-old kid. Santa, come on. Let's tell several jokes and facts. Did you if police is dancing on the police station? How much time I have to request them? One joke, then no more. You know, but why Samson SGH is for publicans?